Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos.
Welcome back, Tech Warriors. Today we are covering a super useful Linux command: how to run multiple commands in a single line. Whether you are scripting, automating, or just speed up your workflow, this will save you time. Let's jump in. The first command I'm going to show you is ls pwd. This command is going to list the contents of the Kali directory, then it will now show you the present working directory. So this is the contents of the Kali directory, then this is the present working directory, which is /home/Kali. This command useful command because it's going to allow you to be faster. You don't need to type just one command. You can type multiple commands for it to give you all the results that you want. Now the next command I'm going to show you is date then pwd. Once I hit enter, this command is going to show me my present date, my calendar, and my present working directory. It runs the command date cal then pwd. Now, what if I make a mistake in one of the commands? Like, let me say, for example, I said date, instead of write lowercase car, and I put uppercase then pwd. The above command will display the date and the present working directory, but it will not display the car. The only thing you are going to see there is it will display the car as not found, because command does stop executing command. If one fails, it's going to execute the next command if the command in between also fails. The semicolon lets you run commands sequentially no matter what. Each command run regardless of whether the previous one fails. So here it runs the date command, the car command, it displays that it is not command not found, while it's run the pwd command, which is /home/Kali, which is our present working directory. Using the logical and ls logical and pwd date car. Once I hit enter, the command is going to list the contents of directory, print the current working directory, display the date, and also display the calendar. Now, what if I make a mistake? Instead of me to type pwd, a lowercase pwd, and not type uppercase pwd, the double ampersand car. Once I hit enter, the double ampersand runs the second only if the first one succeeds, and it's great for error saving. Here it's not going to run the car command because the pwd failed, started the p with uppercase letter, so it's not going to run the second command because the first command there, which is the pwd, failed. Cal double ampered pwd double ampered date. So once I hit enter, the command is going to run the first command. It will not run the second command, and the next command, which is the date command, is not going to run it. So it's going to run just the cal command, which displays the calendar. The second command is going to tell you that the command is not found, which is pwd uppercase is not found. Combine all ls or pwd. Once I hit enter, if the first command is successful, it's not going to execute the second command. Now ls In this scenario, it is going to execute the second command because the first command failed. CD. This tries to cd into the first directory, list the file if it works, or show an error if it doesn't. When automating security scripts or recon task, using the ampersand ensures your payloads only launch if conditions are right. That's it for this quick Linux tip. If you are enjoying this series, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the next Linux trick you want to learn. See you in the next one.